Hi everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb. As you all already know, I'm Deb, and today I have a very special guest with me. I have my niece, Madison, who's been spending a few days with me. So say hello, Madison.
Hi.
And how old are you, Madison?
8.
And what grade are you in?
3rd.
We've been having a lot of fun. We went swimming, we went to see Incredibles 2, and we've been eating all kinds of junk food, haven't we? Anyway, today Madison has read all the comments and she has picked the winner. And just so everybody knows, I read all the comments and I will answer most of them back, or at least I try to, but I don't pick the winner because I want it to be unbiased, so I always have somebody else pick the winner. And today we had Madison pick the winner. So are you ready to announce the winner, Madison?
Yes.
Okay, so tell everybody who won the stork.
Dana Christina.
So congratulations, Dana, you have won the stork. This is the ornament that, that we're giving away at the stork. We forgot to put it on earlier. But anyway, Dana, you have won this stork. If you want to send me a private message and let me know where you want this sent, or you can send me an email because I don't think that I'm not sure, but YouTube has changed things, so I'm not sure you can do private messages anymore, but you can always send me an email. So until next time, this has been Winter Wednesday, and I'm here with Madison, and we will say goodbye. Till next time.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye.